Play with the bubbles, little girl. Can you play?
Oh, don't fall down. She's a fall.
Does she want to play? No?
I never saw anything like that.
That's adorable.
Yep.
Got 2 reasons why I cry.
Oh, I need more stuff.
First one is she's my horse life. The second one is prison baby. Sheriff's on my trail. And if he catches up with me, I'll spend my life in jail. Thank you so much. See that box right there with the CDs in it? Thank you. Grab yourself a CD. Parents, I promise. It's all safe on there, no explicit lyrics. I've earned special copies just for the kids. So anyway, we're gonna take a short break. We'll be back to playing some more music. Enjoy the barbecue. Yeah.
Guys are running low on sauce out here.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, big dog. Your mom, big dog.
The stuff we made.
Oh, sorry.
The tigers?
Oh, yeah, you can eat that. Okay.
Hopefully this year we'll go a little further.
Missy, Elizabeth, turn around. Wave. I have to find you. There we go. Very nice. Yeah.
Best part.
Say it again.
The best part.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Yeah. I don't disagree with you at all either.
Happy birthday, Anvil.
Oh, that's good.
Right now, if I keep them one way, I will.
This is a sweet party, isn't it? They did good. They did good. They did good.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's pretty crazy to have such a spot.
It was cool when we were kids, but it's still cool. You know, it's
Yeah.
they made it modernized. It's nice.
They modernized it nicely. They moved it up nicely. And they said one of the biggest things they have to do is all the video and stuff. That people want passwords. That's one of their main jobs now, is to make sure people get the passwords when they come here.
For the